Hello guys, welcome my YouTube channel. Today I am going to see you how to correctly bid for the projects in freelancer.com. Okay, first should select the project of you bid. And well read the project details. And see other freelancers bids and their amount, project deliver time. After that, get idea for how to create of your bid. Then using this instructions and create your bid. Bid amount should create cheap price for other freelancers and deliver time not should be long time for others. Okay, now I create my bid. Firstly I add my description. You can get my job description for my video description. Then add my bid amount. Project deliver time. And my milestone. Then I place my bid. Okay, that's enough. I successfully create my bid.